Rosie and Friends, Tidy Up Day. It was a bright and breezy morning in the meadow. The tall green grass swayed softly, and colorful wildflowers danced in the sunlight. Butterflies fluttered above the daisy patches, and the little stream nearby sparkled like silver ribbons. Rosie the rabbit hopped happily across the meadow with her pink nose twitching and her long ears bouncing. Her best friends, Daisy the deer and Sunny the squirrel, were waiting under the big oak tree. "Let's build a meadow playground," Sunny squeaked, his fluffy tail flicking with excitement. "Yes," Rosie giggled. "We can use twigs, flowers, and pebbles." Daisy smiled gently. "I'll find soft leaves for our picnic mat." Soon the three friends were busy building. They stacked sticks into little towers. "Wow, we made a tower," they exclaimed. They even built a bridge of smooth pebbles. The meadow was full of laughter and fun. When the sun began to set and the golden light spread across the meadow, the friends were tired from playing. "I'm sleepy," yawned Rosie, rubbing her brown eyes. "Let's go home." Sunny stretched his paws. "Good idea." Daisy looked around. "We can clean up tomorrow." Pebbles, sticks, leaves, and flower petals were scattered everywhere. Rosie said softly. "I think we should tidy up first." "Oh, it's fine," said Sunny. "The meadow will still be here in the morning." Rosie hesitated, then followed her friends home. The next morning, the meadow didn't look the same. The wind had blown the twigs, leaves, and petals everywhere. Rosie's flower petals were stuck in the stream, Daisy's picnic leaves were soggy, and Sunny's twig towers had fallen over. The beautiful meadow looked messy and sad. "Oh no!" cried Rosie. "Our meadow looks awful." Daisy's gentle eyes grew worried. "We forgot to take care of our things." Rosie took a deep breath. "Let's make it right. We can clean up together." The friends got to work. Rosie hopped around, gathering petals and leaves into her basket. Daisy used her strong legs to carry sticks back to the pile. Sunny zipped through the grass, sweeping tiny twigs into neat rows with his tail. When they finished, the meadow looked beautiful again. The flowers shone, the grass looked fresh, and the stream sparkled happily. Rosie smiled. "It feels so nice when everything is clean." Sunny nodded. "Next time, we'll tidy up before we rest." Daisy's gentle eyes twinkled. "Because when we care for our meadow cares for us." The three friends sat together by the stream, watching the sunlight dance on the water. They were tired, but happy. And from that day on, Rosie, Daisy, and Sunny always cleaned up after playing, because they knew that a tidy meadow was a happy meadow. The end.